Hey guys, this is R750 again, coming to you with another video regarding how to do things the easy way. Now let's talk about buying a house or renting an apartment, which all falls on the subject of finance. Now, finance is very important in our lives. We need to get a better understanding, a good understanding of how to manage our monies. As we finish college, as we get a job, start getting paid for it, we need to start setting priorities with the money we make. First thing you need to do, you need a place to live. You need to establish a place to live, because I'm pretty sure that most of y'all have parents who say, okay, you're not going to live here unless you pay rent. But most of them just want you to not live there. Because as you get older, it's time for you to establish your life, outside of parents. Now, again, if you got parents that you need to take care of, that's a different story. But if you got parents that are pretty much satisfied and they get their own financials together, and they're looking for you to get your finances together. Now, as you start working and start getting a paycheck, consider putting some money aside. Most people like to go out and blow their first paycheck. Well, I wouldn't do that. If you're still living at home, most of us will, even after you start a job, convince your parents or let your parents know or understand that you do got a job and you are getting paid for it, and that you just need a little bit of time so you can save your money so you can get a house or an apartment. Most of them will understand that. Give them a little money too on the side. As you get your paycheck, if you still got to stay at home with your parents, give them a little bit of money, or pay their weekly grocery bill. Help them out in that instance. At the same time, put the rest of your money aside. Yes, if you got a car, or if you got to pay for a bus and subway transport, put that money aside too, because you need that money to get back and forth to work. But for the rest of the money, put it aside. Put it aside in preparation for your move to your apartment. That's very important. Don't go out below your paycheck. Okay, don't go out and party off your money or take your buddies out and treat all of them. Don't blow your money on all that. Buy jewelry or video games. Don't do all that. Okay, you're an adult now. Okay, you're an adult in a working world. Put your money aside for what is important. Establishing a place to live. Okay, don't blow it. Think about what you want and how you want to live, whether it's an apartment or would you rather have your own house. You can do that. But the first thing you need to do after you make your money is start thinking about credit. You're going to need some type of credit established. Now, that doesn't mean you go out there and buy very expensive items. No, I recommend you not do that. Go out and get a small credit card. Use the credit card to pay for the grocery bill. Pay for your parents' pay for your parents' groceries every month. That way, the banks will see that you have some type of credit, and for God's sakes, please pay your credit card bill. Even if your credit card bill after each month is kind of large, I don't recommend you pay it every month either. I recommend you pay it at least every 2 weeks. Put the money aside and pay your credit card bill. Okay, whether you're doing it bi-monthly or once a month or every week, do that so you can establish that credit. Because once you go to apply for a house or an apartment, they're going to send your name and your social security number through the credit bureau, okay, to see what kind of person you are, and you must have an established credit. Now, what that means? That means that you can handle finances. That if you buy stuff on credit, they'll see that you make regular payments to pay it off. That's what credit really is. The banks and the financial companies seeing that you can handle paying off your debt on a regular basis. You must pay on a regular basis. If you can pay it off, that's great. But as long as you show those routine, by clockwork payments on a regular basis, the banks will see that they can invest in you and perhaps give you the financing you need to establish or allow you to establish good credit, so that when you go out and to get that apartment or go out to buy that house, you won't have any problems with the finance company. Okay, that's just my small video, my small view, my opinion based on my success on how to establish or buy a house or apartment the easy way. The tough way is to go out there and not have any money. You got to go out and live with some buddies, or go out and live with a girlfriend. I do not recommend you do that. That's always ended up in disaster in most cases. Okay, you might know some exceptions, but I'm not speaking of the exception. I'm talking about the majority of cases. They don't end well. Okay? Again, let's do things the easy way, not the hard way. All right, you guys, keep in touch. Subscribe if you want to continue to see my videos automatically when they come out, and I will try my best to get them out every month. Now, not try, I will get them out every month. Okay? Again, this is R750. Have a great day. Bye.